Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with a new video, and in today's video we're gonna share with you a new VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome viewers and subscribers of the channel that you are highly welcomed. So today's video we are gonna install this app from Google Play Store. This is where you can search and install Android apps, and when you reach here you search for UDP Thunder VPN. So this is the app among the presented. The app is known as UDP Thunder VPN. So you install the right app and you pick the right app, and after installing this app, before using the app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And also make sure to read your country local laws regarding the VPN usage in your country and make sure to follow them. And make sure to read your ISP internet service provider. Make sure to read your internet service provider terms and conditions regarding VPN usage in your country and make sure to follow them. And after doing that, please open the app and you set it up. And as we open the app, it will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So this is an easy app to set. So before we set up, make sure to subscribe on this channel for more content. After subscribing, tap on this menu button, the three lines in the upper right corner. From here you tap on update. You give the app a few seconds for it to update to the latest version. And you're required to pick a server. Where you see auto server, you can tap here and you can pick from any of the presented servers. So you can either pick a global 1, 2 or 10, whatever you prefer. So for today's guide, let's pick auto. This is because the app will automatically pick the best performing server in your location. So after that, you're required to pick a connection method. So you can either pick fast DNS or you can pick UDP. So for today's guide, let's pick UDP. This is because UDP is fast and secure when you are online, and UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. And if your country supports UDP, this option will definitely work for you. So to pick the UDP mode, you just tap on this button nearest to it. And after that, to ensure a fast and a secure connection and to add extra protection when you are online, you are required to tap on this start button. And when you tap on the start button, this app will be connected and your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up UDP Thunder VPN with UDP settings for all countries to get a fast and secure connection, extra protection when we are online.